Hey guys, I'm Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So guys, so many of you are messaging me that please make a video on eggless dessert. Yes, today I'm going to make chocolate tiramisu eggless version. Guys, we'll divide the tiramisu into 4 parts. First we'll make eggless ladyfingers, then we'll make the filling, then we'll make coffee syrup, and at last we'll make the chocolate ganache. Guys, it's very easy and super delicious. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, let's make the ladyfingers first. So I have taken the soft butter. Then I'll add caster sugar in it. I'll mix this until all the things mix well. Your butter should be soft, not melted. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We'll mix until all the sugar get dissolved in the butter. Then we'll add milk. Then I'll add baking powder and flour. So next, what will I do? I will pipe a batter. So I'll cut our batter is ready. I've greased the pan already. So what next we'll do? We'll dust some icing sugar on the top of this ladyfingers. So we'll bake this ladyfinger for about 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. See guys, you can see the texture. So guys, next we'll start our filling. First we'll add mascarpone cheese. Then we'll add icing sugar. We'll properly mix this. And lastly, we'll add the whipping cream. And the third one, we'll make a coffee syrup. First I'll add water. Then I'll add coffee. So guys, what next we'll do, we'll make our chocolate ganache. So first, what will I do? I will heat my cream. Always heat your cream in medium flame, otherwise your cream will burn. And I'll add milk. Then I'll pour the cream into the chocolate. Then lastly I'll add butter. So our ganache is ready. It's time to assemble a tiramisu. So guys, it's time to assemble a tiramisu. I have taken this glass bowl. First, what will I do? I'll add the lady finger. Then I'll soak them with coffee syrup. Then I'll add the mascarpone cheese. Then I'll add the second layer. Why I'm doing this? For the extra taste. Then we'll chill this. Guys, lastly I'll add the ganache. So guys, you can see our tiramisu is ready. So it's time to give some final touch. So what I'll do, I'll dust some cocoa powder. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you like the recipe, please let me know in my comment section box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Guys, do try this recipe in your own version, and you can send your pictures to me on my Instagram account. Links are given in the description box. And yes, stay tuned for more. I will see you on my next video.